Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about US dollar index and USD pairs, what is going to happen to them. So let's get started. So I'm going to take you back a year ago. 28th January, I made this chart, US dollar index weekly chart, when it was all the way here at 0698. So I said, we're going to make the turn from here for where B will be this high, will be the target to or B, 1753. Now I made several chart after that, right? So I'm going to just fast forward and then take you all the way to when we hit that area, 1753, right? Yeah, obviously my chart was there. So we went up there, came down, it's like a small crooked kind of like a harmonic pattern. And then we went up there anyway to hit this 1753 target. Right? And then at that point, I says, okay, we're going to drop from there. First target is 1026 and second is 0698. I made this chart in October 2023. And I said, well, when it's dropping, the USD is going to get weaker and these four pairs will go up and these three pairs will go down. Right? And I said that as long as it stay below 1753, this will happen. And that's exactly what happened. And we came down all the way, boom, straight up to my second target, very close to the second target. That's where I made the chart that we're probably going to drop to this 0698 and then go back up to 1390. Right? This chart was made on 22nd December 2023. And then now opposite will happen. These four pair will go down because the US dollar index going to the upside means USD is getting strong. So these four pair where the USD on the right hand side will be dropping and these three will be going to the upside. So now this chart, what start to happen, this one is that start to go nicely to the upside, a little bit shy to hit this 1390, and then finally we came very close to this 1350, and I made this chart on the 10th February 2024 that we might go up a little bit more to touch this 1374 area or 1390. That's where it is, and the 61% is 1374. So we're gonna go and hit this 1390 and then drop back to 0926. Right? So this is, and then in the meantime, I also made this chart on 2nd February that we were bouncing from here, and then we're gonna go and hit 1390. Right? This is a 40-minute chart. What happened to this 40-minute chart is this as of today, 19th February. We went up there and then start wobbling and then end up hitting 1390, and then even went a little bit more to the upside. There was another level, I don't know, but we just came very close to 1478, right? And then start to drop. Now, let's go back to the weekly chart. So this is the chart I made, and this is where we stand right now. As of today, you can see that, right? So I made this chart, so we went up a little bit around 1478 and even a little bit more higher. And then we kind of like dropped a little bit and end up closing this candle below 1390. Now, look at this candle here. Big wick to the top, more than half, more than 50% of that candle is wick, and it is on the top, and very small body in the bottom. This is called a hammer. Not hammer, actually, inverted hammer or shooting star a candlestick, right? And it's a bearish reversal candle. We call this shooting star. A candle just like this is hit here, right? So it usually it's at the end of a bullish move with big wick on the top, and it is a big sign, a very, very strong sign of a reversal. And after that, you can see what happened here. Similarly, this is that kind of candle here, right? And right here, you can see that same candle here. So shooting star, a bearish reversal candle, we have that here. And this current candle, we started just today. So let's see what happened. As long as we stay below 1390, we're going to be going back to this area here. Now, if for any reason we bounce from here, then what, right? I made another chart, which is this. Well, but let me show you the monthly chart that I'm looking at. Monthly chart is this, so it may not go up and then hit this TL and then drop all the way here into this area, 0219. And there was another one, 0126 or 29, right? So this is the area that I'm expecting that this outer TL will be the target when it start dropping. So the key from the weekly chart that stay below 1390 instead of going up and hit the TL, I would rather see it dropping below 1390, right? And then go back to 0926. Now, after that, it may continue dropping, break that area, then we will drop to 0698 and all the way into this area, 0129 or 0219. Right? The digits are the same. You can see that 0129 and here 0219, right? These two big level, both are big levels. And then, so like this one, yes, if we can stay below 1390, we're going to drop here and then break that. If we have a lot of selling pressure, then we can break that and then go all the way down to this low here and then this low and then all the way to 127% extension of this fib. But if we come down here, 23% line, we have a chance we may bounce back and go back to 78% because this is 61% of this fib. So we touch the 61%. So what we can do is that we can drop to 23% line and then go back to 78 and then drop. That's one possibility. And the second is if we drop here and then straight to the downside. So currently I'm looking at staying below 1390 and dropping to this area. So if we start to do that, this will happen. These 4 pairs will go up and these 3 pairs will go down. So plan your trade and trade accordingly. As long as we stay below 1390 in the index, this will happen. 7 pairs, good opportunity. And if it looks like that it's going to be going down, and then look at the 40-minute chart, and this is how it is. So it's making a long setup on a 40-minute chart right now, but we can see that clearly that we are. See, we dropped here below 1390, then we went up and tested the 1390. Failed to break it to the upside and then start to drop. So that is a good sign that we are not going to go above 1390. So if that's so, we're going to be dropping and I will be looking for short in all of those USD pairs. Not all, I mean, three pairs I'll be looking long and 4 pairs I'll be looking for. Sorry, 4 pairs long, 3 pairs short, right? With the USD weakness. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Like I said, this is the one version. This is this is the chart that I really like to see. It shows both scenario, right? First scenario is this. Second, it could go up, hit the TL, and then drop, right? But if that will happen only if it goes above 1390. But if it stays below 1390, it's going to drop here. Then it may go up and hit the TL and then even break it and then go up to all the way here, 1600 area, excuse me, 1599, and then drop from there, right? So let's see what happens. First thing first, we need to stay below 1390 and drop to 0926. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos right on time so you can take advantage of these setups. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.